Introducing the TN7301 Fire Telephone Jack Socket. Emergency communication, built into the fabric of the building. The TN7301 connects to the TN7300 addressable fire telephone system via a non-polarized two-wire design. GB 16806-2006 compliant and rated for temperatures from -10 to +55 degrees Celsius. The TN7301 performs in the harshest building environments, plant rooms, basement levels, high-rise stairwells, wherever your crews need to be heard. Compact, lightweight, and built for real-world installation. TN7301 Fire Telephone Jack Socket. Because in an emergency, every voice needs to be heard.